exploring the ghost town of London in search of lost crypto tokens. Jonny Blockchain adventure. What if I told you that somewhere deep in the shadows of London's forgotten streets, lost crypto tokens still whisper through the fog? Today, we're not just talking trading strategies or bots. We're heading into the haunted corners of the city where time stands still, and rumors of abandoned wallets and long-lost seed phrases echo off the alley walls. With Jonny Blockchain in my pocket and a trail of failed wallets as my map, I've set out to explore London's digital ghost town, from shuttered fintech startups to rusted Bitcoin ATMs, and even a mysterious USB drive left behind in a coffee shop basement. Could this be where some of the first ReFi dreams were born and buried? As I walk these empty streets, every QR code on a decaying sticker could hold the key to a wallet never reclaimed. Every signal drop in this tech-dead zone could be hiding the remnants of an unclaimed airdrop or forgotten meme coin worth a fortune today. What drives this journey? Curiosity and the thrill of the hunt. Because in the crypto world, value isn't just in charts, it's in stories, digital fossils, and buried treasures. And while I may not recover millions today, one thing's for sure: the blockchain remembers everything, even in the ghost town of London. Before we go, remember, whether you're exploring forgotten tokens or just testing a new trading idea, always start with paper trading. It removes the guesswork and risk from your strategies. That's exactly what JonnyBlockchain.com offers: the tools to trade smart, and the platform to explore without fear of loss. So grab your flashlight and your MetaMask, and let's keep searching. Because in this digital Wild West, you never know what ghost token might still be out there. Before you go, if you enjoyed this journey through the shadows of London's forgotten crypto past, imagine what you could uncover with the right tools at your fingertips. Whether you're testing trading strategies, building confidence, or searching for your next digital treasure, don't leave it to chance. Start with paper trading, risk-free, stress-free, and smart. Head over to JonnyBlockchain.com and unlock the best free paper trading bot in the game. Because every crypto legend starts with a test run. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and join me on the next adventure into the world of decentralized finance. Until then, keep exploring, and keep trading smart.